Welcome to Knights & Co Xero tutorials. On this video we will be showing you how to import your bank statements into Xero. Some banks do not offer the automatic bank feeds option, and by importing your transactions this will save a lot of input time for you. You will need to have downloaded your bank statement from your online banking as a CSV, OFX or QIF file. Make sure you don't overlap on transactions or dates. We recommend when importing transactions you go up to yesterday, as there won't be any additional transactions to account for, and it gives you a clear cut-off date. When we set up your business for you on Xero, we would have set up a generic current account bank account. From the main dashboard screen, go to the bank account you want to import transactions for and click on the three dots. Then select Import a Statement. Click Browse and select the file you have downloaded from your online banking and click on Import. You will need to assign the statement lines. Xero will automatically do the ones it can recognise. The main things you need to make sure are assigned are the date and the amount, and ideally the description. On here you can see Xero has picked up which columns are the dates and amounts, but not the description. So we will go ahead and tell Xero which column is the description information. Once you have assigned the lines, click on Save. Xero will then tell you how many lines have been imported and if any are duplicated. Click on OK and you will be taken to the Reconcile screen, and you can see that transactions have been imported successfully. And that is how you import a bank statement. Thank you for watching, and please look out for future videos.